Hello and welcome to another business page teardown. Today we're giving a turn for Mills CNC and see if we can get in, find some product information and what the form is like for getting a callback or requesting more details. So we come to their website. Nice big clear, some good photographs and things. It's all good. Email and direct contact address. So that's all positive start. It's a little bit of an HTML issue going on with their menu, but we can overlook that. So what we're looking for is a milling turning station. So that's cool. So we've gone into category. Let's have a look inside their category at what products they've got. Let's choose a product. It's nice that we get that filtering going, and it's nice and easy. There's low friction as to what I'm doing. Nice big clear call outs and into the text specs as soon as we've got there, and also a suggestion for another loaded one. We're into the product. There's not super lot on here on the product page, but we've got key facts. It looks like we're going to have to request more information to find out more. Not too many fields, it's not too bad. The reason to call fairly brief, but it's right on the page. We're not going to go off and look for it somewhere else. It'd be nice to have seen some PDFs, some guides from them too as to what was available. Does seem that there is some brochure request, finance, and then arrange demonstrations. Let's have a look at that. If we could get a demonstration. Okay, it looks like the same sort of form as we've just seen, but we've got a bit of filtering, so it's a bit of sales filtering rather than support and training, and they have targeted in some pre-filled some text. So if you didn't want to add more details, they've at least got that connected up. And then on the brochure front, that was still a nice clear button. Probably good to have pulled it a bit further up the page, but so again we get this the same sales inquiry, but the copies come through a little bit different, so we can't actually get to the brochures online straight away. Yep, so that's cool. I don't know whether they're going to be digital and we can get hold of that, or whether they're going to be post type deal. Okay, well that was fairly good. We've got around their site fairly straightforward. Found the details we wanted. No real complaints with that, what they're offering. There's a good nice clear visuals, not too much dense copy. It would be good to get another level in here to read into that, and then sort of other positives. Looks like they're definitely keeping up with their sort of social and stuff. And let's see on can we get any news or anything? Is that all in the bottom? Got latest news here. Don't know how to get to it at the top. So we've got some news September, so that's fairly there was in media channels, a bit more hidden than it might need to be from the top. So September, August, yeah, so they're keeping up. They've got some stuff coming through, a bit cluttered, but that's all good. So Mills CNC, I'll give you a B. It was fairly good. Clean and clear for finding these Dawson milling stations. So thank you, and thanks also for joining in for another Holding Bay business page teardown with me, Tristan Bailey. Speak to you again soon.